In this video, we're going to look at subtraction. But before we begin, what do you need to know already? You should be able to do addition of whole numbers up to 3 digits. Use strategies such as building up and breaking down, number lines, rounding off in tens and hundreds. And you should be able to align 3-digit numbers to show their correct place values. Welcome back. Thus far, we have learned how to add 2- and 3-digit numbers using counting on, number lines, Dionese blocks, and expanding numbers. We will now attempt subtraction. We also learned how to add 3-digit numbers by arranging them standing up in their correct place value columns. In this lesson, we will look at how to do subtraction. The word subtraction comes from the word subtract, which means to make less. Look at the 2 pictures and answer these simple questions. It would be good if you could work with someone to discuss the answers. Are the 2 pictures the same? If not, what is different? Pause the video to discuss and press play when you're ready to continue. Yes, there are less sweets in the second picture. Perhaps someone ate a few of the sweets. How many were eaten? Can you compare and tell the difference? Picture 1 has 8 sweets and picture 2 has 5 sweets. So how many sweets were eaten? The difference is 3 sweets. 3 sweets were eaten. So to find the solution to the question, how many sweets were eaten, what did we do? We first start off by working with what we know and what we can see. We can see 8 sweets and we can see 5 sweets. To find out what is missing, we start with 8 and we take away the 5 from the 8, or we subtract 5 from the 8, or we say 8 minus 5. You have learned some language of maths. Let's check if you understand. Subtract means to make less or take away or minus. When you have found how many are missing, it is called difference. Or the answer to a subtraction problem is called difference. Practice saying the words minus, subtraction, and difference. Repeat it a few times and check with your friends if they are saying them correctly and that they know what they mean. Minus, subtraction, and difference. Minus, subtraction, difference. Let's check if you understand when we look at subtracting numbers. What is 12 minus 4? Or make 12 less by 4. We can use the number line also to work this out. We can start at 12 and count backwards 4 steps. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. We land on 8. We can check this answer by using our learning of addition. What is 8 added to 4? Or 8 plus 4? Did you get the answer? Yes, it's 12. What do we learn from this? Subtraction is the opposite of addition, and we can use addition to check our subtraction. We can take an example of 2-digit numbers to show how this works on a number line. Let's look at a problem. A teacher has 46 pens for the class. During exam time, she gave 24 pens to her learners. How many did she have left? Our problem can be written as simple maths model. 46 minus 24. We can do this using a number line. Find 46 on the number line, then count 24 to the left and you will find yourself on 22. The problem has been solved. 46 minus 24 is 22. The teacher now has 22 pens. Using a number line to show subtraction is easy when working with small numbers. When we work with larger numbers, we may have to use maths models and the standing up or column method, just as we learned in doing addition. In the above example, 46 minus 24, we can work out the problem using the column method. On your screen, you can see this. The steps are: start with the units. 6 minus 4 is 2. Write the 2 in the answer box under the 4. Then look at your tens. 4 tens, or 40, minus 2 tens, which is 20, is 2 tens. Write the 2 tens in the answer box in the tens column under the 2. Now, wasn't that easy? You should practice a few more with friends or fellow learners to make sure you can use the column method easily. Try these examples. Pause the video, and when you're ready to continue, press play. You can now look at your screen and see the solutions. Did you get them right? Yes? Well done. If you didn't, don't worry. Try them again and check where you went wrong. Making mistakes are fine as long as we learn from them.